Welcome back. It's now time for sports.
Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McLaren is confident they can defeat Curacao in their must-win final match in Group B of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers this evening. The match kicks off at 8 at the National Stadium. The Reggae Boyz are on 10 points, one less than leaders Curacao, and only a win will see them book an automatic spot to the FIFA showpiece in 2026. They lost the first leg match 2-0 away to Curacao on October 10, and coach McLaren says they're looking to make amends.
Yeah, that was disappointing. We didn't start the game well, so we must start the game well tomorrow. That's a big lesson. And we had chances to win the game. When you look at the stats after the game, we had more chances on target, and we should have scored in that game. Had a goal disallowed for I don't know what, but so we knew we were in with the chance in that game. The start was poor, so we've got to start well tomorrow.
Meanwhile, young exciting winger Kahim Dixon believes the team is in the right spirits heading into the must-win encounter at the office.
Everyone is ready. Like, the coach made the decision, whether he starts you or not, like, he just has to be ready. That's what matters most. That's his balance in the team. Like, always be ready, even if it's 5 minutes, just ready to play.
The Reggae Boyz' only appearance at the FIFA World Cup came in 1998 in France. Meanwhile, former reggae boy Ricardo Baby Gardner, who helped Jamaica qualify for their first World Cup in 1998, says the time is right for the team to recreate history. Gardner, who is also a former captain of the team, had this message for the boys.
This is the moment that we are all dream of. We are in a position that we are able to create history, write our names in the history book. You all deserve to be here. This is your moment. This is your opportunity to go and create other moments for others out there in Jamaica and within the diaspora. Just to go and enjoy it and relish the moment, and let us come out victorious and give everything that you have and left everything out there on the field.
West Indies seamer Jaden Seals says that the absence of New Zealand first match centre maker Daryl Mitchell will be a boost for the Windies going into the second one-day international on Tuesday in Napier. Mitchell has been ruled out of the remainder of the ODI series, having picked up a groin strain during his match-winning century in Christchurch. Mitchell, who made 119 off 118 balls in New Zealand's 7-run victory, is expected to be out for 2 weeks, but should be in contention for the first test on December 2.
Yeah, we wouldn't be resting on our laurels. We still have to put in the work, still have to formulate plans for whoever comes in for him. And as you said, yeah, it's a good and a bad in the same sense, because you want to be playing against the best in the world or some of the best batsmen in the world. So hope it's not too bad, but yeah, happy that he's missing out for the rest of the matches as well.
The match bowls off at 8 p.m. Jamaica time. And that is it for your midday sports roundup. And I am Jermaine Brown.
And that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.